Welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial we will learn this 6-piece dress. Actually one of my viewer asked me to make a tutorial for the 6-piece abaya, but the same way you can make abaya, you can make gown, you can make full dress. So basically we need a basic pattern, and I traced this pattern in a way that my hemline is almost 3.5 inches is bigger than the regular, and here I just mark on my waistline 4 inches, just a dot, and 4 inches the upside. And now you need to join with a little curved line with the scale. You can mark or by the hand. Basically we need a curved line that will join our then the hemline. At hemline here from the center towards the outer corner, I just marked 5 inches. This is basically the middle panel of our dress, the black as you see in the dress. So this is something that how you have to cut your pattern. If pattern making is not clear, you can watch my video how to make a princess cut. So I will give this link in the description. So this is my pattern is ready. Now I'm going to attach with pins this pattern on my fabric, and then I will trace this pattern, and then obviously I will cut according to this pattern. This is the middle part of our dress, and then the close side is you can see the straight side is the close side, and then other side is that where our armhole will come, and then the other panel will join. So all these things I will show you in this video, so don't skip at any point. And guys, if you like this video, please thumbs up and give me your feedback. So this is the middle part, and again guys, it depends. If you want the middle panel or more wider, you can make according to your choice, but 5 inch is bit standard. So again neckline is also totally depend on your choice. If you want to make a bias binding neckline, I will give a link in the description how you can make a neckline with bias binding. And now this is the center panel. Now I'm going to attach the side panels. I'm using the other fabric so that it will be clear for you, but you guys can use the same fabric, or you can use the plain fabric but with the contrast color, or anything you can mix and match. And this is the side panels, so that's why we need the double again. And this time it doesn't matter that which is the close side, because anyways we need the two parts of this. And one thing also you have to keep in mind guys, that your if you are working with a design fabric like mine fabric, this is design, so keep in mind that on both sides your design should be equal. I have less fabric, so unfortunately I can't manage to achieve the both panel the same with same print. But if you have enough fabric, keep in mind that both side design will be same. So this is a point you need to be consider while cutting with the printed fabric. Again pin up it, and after that just mark it and cut it. I'm not going to mark again because anyways I need to just show you guys. So but especially as a beginner, you need to pin up it properly, follow all the steps, and then start cutting. So here again we need the 1/2 inch this side, and guys, if you remember that on the center panel also we add 1/2 inch all the way, and here also you need 1/2 inch for the stitching allowance, because we didn't add any seam allowance in our pattern. So at this point you need to add the seam allowances. Here also you need 1/2 inch, and you can see here is a small curve on the point of your this pattern. This is actually where your armhole, so this is basically joined with the other panel and become the complete armhole. So that's why be very careful while cutting this, so it will affect your size and shape of your dress. And on the side, this is, now we are on the side, like left and right side of our dress. So at this point you need to add 1 inch extra. You can also add only half inch if you are working with the serger. So here I just cut at the half inch distance, but usually we need 1 inch if we are stitching with the regular machine, and it also depends on the type of fabric. So now just quickly, after quickly cutting this, I will show you how you can join this center panel and the side panel. Sorry guys if you listen the voice of my baby, and she is just calling me, but anyways, so after that, so now next step is to join these front and center panels. Guys, if you like this video, please at least hit that thumbs up button, so YouTube will know that people are liking my video. It will really help me to grow on your channel YouTube. So see, now our both side panels are ready. So just remove the pins, and now we are going to our machine. So I will show you how you can stitch this part. And guys, in comments please let me know if anything you want to learn, any style, so I will show you in the next videos. And also I'm going to start my join button soon, so you can join my channel, and some video will be especially for the members only. And but please let me give you your feedback if you can join. So I will start the special courses on my YouTube channel, so I need your feedback for that. Anyways, here be careful about this cutting of your armhole. Make sure the edge is exactly matched with the edge. And here, because this is this is because in the round shape, so we can't pin up so much here. If you are a beginner, the better way is that you can hand stitch first, so that in a way you can match exactly your panels. Otherwise just pin up from the starting and then go to your machine and then start stitching. I usually find this way more easy, but if you are a beginner, I would like to suggest you that first hand stitch this part. So otherwise you have to remove, because this is in round shape, both panels are cutting in a round shape, so it will be difficult for you to manage the exact shape. So hope you get my point. Anyway, I'm just going on my machine and just start stitching here. And one thing also, that you need to double lock from the starting, and double lock means you have to stitch your 2 times, so your stitch will be secure. So I know these are very basic points, but if some beginner is watching this video, for them this is very important. So let's let me show you what's the result after stitching. So I just stitch one panel here, and you can see how perfectly it fits here. And after that you can steam press it, so it will give you more look. And this is the flare that we will got, but it also depends if you want very straight or so. This is now your perfect armhole is here. Now we will attach the other side, and then our this 6-piece dress will be ready, because the same way we will attach the back side. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.